Good morning, everybody. This is Trista here. Anyways, guys, I just felt like I needed to have kind of like a proper intro for this video. I'm starting up 5-minute vlogs again. I honestly never really started it. I just kind of did it once and was like, I'm gonna do this, and then I never picked up the camera again. So here I am. I'm trying this new thing where I do 5-minute vlogs. I really like it, the idea, because I do film a lot. And sometimes I get a little rambly. So today I'm going to be cleaning my room. So this is kind of like, I'm vlogging this kind of like a day later, 2 days later. Yeah, so just kind of a little intro. I'm back here. I'm very excited to come back to YouTube. I'm vlogging right now. I don't know if you saw my camera, Karis. This is my sister, Karis. So I started off just trying to put my clothes away. And then the organization happened, and this is what we're working with, everybody. It always happens, right? Like, I just don't understand. After like a couple months of being lazy and not organizing it daily, it gets like this. And so I'm in my closet right now, and like I said earlier, I just wanted to put my stuff away, but I realized how badly organized my closet was. I'm doing it again. I'm just so confused on how this all accumulated. Plus this closet's kind of small. Also, I don't have any dressers, so everything is kind of like, if I'm gonna put some workout clothes in a drawer, it's gonna be like with my workout shirts and my leggings and my shorts. There's no space. There's no room for literally anything. But I don't know, I honestly don't really wear a lot of these clothes. Like, I just wear workout clothes as of right now. Some of these clothes don't even fit me anymore because I've gained like 10 pounds. Also have gained muscle, gym life or whatever. Anyways, like I was saying, I think I just need to purge. I need to purge almost everything, because a lot of stuff doesn't fit me anymore. A lot of stuff is not my style. And I don't need it. And also I think I was gonna be down to sell my stuff, but I just don't have time for that right now. I wake up super early in the morning. If anything, I just do it on the weekends. I don't know, I'm just very unorganized, so I think I'm ready to just take out a lot of my stuff and just get it out forever. Okay, so quick update. I have not finished my closet, and I think I'm gonna finish it a little bit later because I promised my little sister that I would take her to go play some tennis, so we're gonna do that right now. Put on this hat because it is extremely hot outside. It's a very high coverage hat, I do say so myself. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go play some tennis. Hopefully there is room at the tennis courts. This is like the first time I've ever played tennis, so like we're just gonna like wing it. I was like, okay, I'm probably not gonna finish this at the moment, so let's just take a little break. We ate some tacos right now. Oof, so good. I might even, if there's no space, we're probably just gonna go on a walk. But I'm gonna take my camera and try to see what we can get, because I think it'd be really cute. So let's go. So I figured I'd come outside because inside my house it's a little loud, so let's just kind of end the vlog here. I'm wearing the same sweatshirt. This is like my favorite sweatshirt, Misguided. I got it last year. I always wear it. It's kind of a thin sweatshirt since it's so hot here in the valley. So I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I kind of just wanted to do another 5-minute vlog, get it up here on YouTube and stuff like that. You're gonna be seeing a lot more vlogs. I have one in the works right now. I think this was filmed 2 weeks ago, so it's a little late. Per usual, Trista, fashion. Today I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I'm gonna enjoy another pool day. It's a Saturday, so I have time to edit videos and do things like that. Kind of think about what's next for me. And if you guys have any ideas that you guys want to see, please drop a comment, DM me. I have not been very active on Instagram due to the fact that I kind of just like to take a break from Instagram a lot, because I've noticed, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people have noticed or have dealt with this. My confidence has not been amazing, so I find myself comparing myself to other girls and other people and other people's lives, and it gets really discouraging, and sometimes I just don't feel like posting or being on Instagram, to be quite honest. And I've been in that kind of mood for a couple of months, and it's been really like, it's been good in a way, because I kind of just like don't post as much, or if I do post, it's like because I was feeling myself or I was in a good mood. Like, my mood has been very up and down. I've been getting a little better though, so I think brighter days are coming. Anyways, ending off this video with a positive note. Hope you guys have a good one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!